What? Okay, this one. It doesn't matter. A challenge where we all play with each fidget, and whoever plays with them loses that first. Come! Look what I got! Oh, come on! Yeah, oh, yeah, this is what I got. There's a lot of fidgets. A lot of fidgets. Fidget. Yeah. From Nutty, from Rubik's Cube. Your turn. He knows how to solve Rubik's Cube. A tiny puppet. Oh, it's super tiny. You want to use it? I will just pop it real quick. There's a puppet. Okay. Where's my sibling? My sibling keeps hiding. Oh my! Okay, stop. Why do you need me for? We're gonna show. And we have this. Why is there a thing in here? We have this. Oh, not too satisfying. We have that box. We have. Oh, jeez! Look at this thing, guys. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, we're just not letting you see because it's special. They're special. Oh my god. I love these. And we have this. Also meet Canijo and Ducky Duck. They're cute. Yeah. They're from more. If you want to buy them, if you want one of this, if you want this bunny or this duck, you could ask it for Christmas or your birthday, or just ask your mom or dad if they can buy it, or just tell them to order it. Yes. Now we have this. We don't know what is that. And we have this that we don't know what is that either. And we have this that I don't know what is either. And we have this. What is this game? This is that. And another one is right here. Oh my gosh, why is it heavy? Is this upside down or is it the correct way? This is the correct way. Oh, it's falling! It's still falling!